first hit of Local Enduro. Alright guys, so this is the first heat of Local Enduro class here at Lemblesong, Cablon, Tupi, South Cotabato. Okay, so whole shot by Benny Almarante of Davao, followed by Kyle Sambuang of Batomelong, and Biroc on board, and followed by Butchok Diaz of Coronadal. So bakbakan na guys, napakainit ng laban guys, sumasabay sa init ng panahon. Abangan natin kung sino ba talaga ang pinakamalakas dito sa Local Enduro class. So dirin siya sa Lemblesong, Cablon, Tupi, South Cotabato. Yan guys, so bakbakan ni Kyle Sambuang versus Benny Almarante guys. So battle of first. So habang nasa pangatlong position naman si Biroc on board, followed by Butchok Diaz of Coronadal. Nasa 5th place naman si Dexter Lozada of Tupi. So ayun guys, so nakuha ni Kyle Sambuang si Benny Almarante. So nasa pangatlong position na siya. So ayan guys, so abangan natin guys. So napakainit ng laban sa Local Enduro class. Biroc on board guys on the second position na. So followed by Dexter Lozada guys of UP. So ayan, so napakainit ng bakbakan nila guys. So Biroc on board versus Kyle Sambuang. So again, so this is the first heat of Local Enduro class here at Lemblesong, Cablon, Tupi, South Cotabato. So 7 laps po ang tatakbuhin ng mga riders natin guys. So ayan, so 6,000 po ang mapapanalunan ng magiging champion dito sa Local Enduro class. So ayan guys, so napakadaming mga riders from different municipalities. So ayan, still leading the race guys, Kyle Sambuang of General Santos City, followed by Biroc on board. So ayan guys, abangan natin guys kung sino ba ang magka-champion dito sa Local Enduro. So yun guys, nasa pangalawang posisyon na ulit si Benny Almarante. So ayan guys, nandun ba si Biroc on board. So ayan, so napakainit ng bakbakan guys. Alright, so part of the game guys. So Dexter Lozada versus Biroc on board. So sayang guys, nandun ba si Biroc. So ayan, nakuha siya ni Dexter Lozada. Almarante again guys versus Kyle Sambuang, battle of first. So nasa ika-4 na position na si Atong guys of Batamelong. So followed by Dexter Lozada guys in the 5th position, and followed by John Lloyd Gornes. Ayun guys, so natumba si John Lloyd Gornes guys of 2P. So sumusunod naman si Biroc on board guys. Ayan, so bakbakan Biroc on board versus John Lloyd Gornes po. So ayan guys, so 7 lang po ang kukunin dito sa Local Enduro para maglalaro po sa final heat. So abangan nyo yan guys. So i-upload ko rin po ang final heat of Local Enduro dito sa channel natin guys. Ayan, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe ay i-subscribe mo na yan. At pakihit na rin po ng notification bell para ma-update po kayo sa mga susunod nating videos. So ayan guys, wala pa rin pagbabago. So still leading the race, Kyle Sambuang guys, followed by Benny Almarante of Davao. ayan, so abangan natin guys kung sino ba ang tatanghaling champion dito sa local enduro class. So ibang klase ang pinapamalas na galing ni Kyle Sambuang guys. So napakalakas na motor from Batomelong, General Santos City. Alright guys, so battle of third, Bugoy versus Atong guys of Batomelong. So ayan, abangan natin yan guys. So nasa pang-apat na posisyon pa rin si Atong guys. So bumabattle siya kay Bugoy of Coronadal for the third position. Birok on board guys on the 6th position. So ayan, natumba na naman si John Lloyd Gornes guys of 2P. So nakuha naman siya guys. So again, so this is the first heat of local enduro class here at Lemblisung, Cablon, 2P South Cotabato. Yan guys, Butchok Diaz of Coronadal. So one of the greatest rider guys of local enduro. So Butchok Diaz. Hindi na mapapaawat itong si Kyle Sambuang guys. So lumalayo na siya kay Benny Almarante. So ayan, so nasa pangalawang posisyon pa rin si Benny Almarante guys of Davao. Yan guys, so nasa pangatlong position na po si Atong guys of Batomelong guys, so followed by Bugoy. So cousin of Kyle Sambuang guys, no? So nasa first position, so magpinsan po yan sila. So from Batomelong, General Santos City guys. Ibang klase po ang mga riders na to. So from Batomelong guys, no? Kyle Sambuang and Atong Alaser Ibrahim. So ayan guys, so big shout out to our idol Mitchell Rivera guys, no, from Jensen. So iba talaga ang taga Jensen guys. So ayan, so white flag is out. So isang lap na lang po at malalaman na natin kung sino ang magcha-champion dito sa local enduro first heat. Ayan guys, so John Lloyd Gornes versus Butchok Diaz. So ayan, so nasa pangalawang position pa rin itong si Benny Almarante guys of Davao. So still leading the race guys, Kyle Sambuang pa rin of Batomelong. The final lap for Kyle Sambuang guys. So ayan, so isang lap na lang po guys. So ayan, so Kyle Sambuang guys ang nag-champion dito sa first seat of local enduro, followed by Benny Almarante guys of Davao. So ayan, habang nasa pangatlong posisyon naman si Atong guys Ibrahim Alaser guys of Batomelong. So ayan, so nasa pang-apat na posisyon naman si Bugoy of Coronadal guys. So ayan, so that is the standing of local enduro first heat. So dito sa Lemblisung, Cablon, 2P South Cotabato guys. Nasa 5th position naman si Birok on board. Ayan guys, habang nasa 6th place naman si Dexter Lozada guys of 2P. So maraming salamat po sa panonood nyo guys at sa pagsuporta sa channel natin guys, Mindanao Motocross PH. Subscribe mo na yan guys kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel natin. So maraming salamat po.